Welcome to Cornwall, a region where history runs deep, tracing back thousands of years. Today we're exploring Cornwall's fascinating past, from its earliest human settlements and thriving Bronze Age trade networks to its legendary post-Roman figures. Let's journey through Cornwall's prehistoric origins, its connection to Roman Britain, and its transition into a land of early Celtic saints and semi-historical kings. Our story begins at the end of the last ice age, when humans first reoccupied Britain. By the time of the Paleolithic and Mesolithic periods, Cornwall was already home to early settlers. Over time, these ancient people evolved through the Neolithic and Bronze Ages, leaving behind stone circles and tools that reveal glimpses of their lives. By the late Bronze Age, Cornwall was part of the extensive Atlantic Bronze Age trading network, connecting the region with parts of Ireland, Wales, France, Spain, and even Portugal. This trade focused on valuable resources, particularly tin, which was highly sought after for bronze production. As we enter the British Iron Age, the people of Cornwall, like the rest of Britain, were largely Celtic-speaking Britons. They shared cultural ties with neighbouring Brittany, and their language, known as Common Brittonic, would eventually evolve into Cornish, Welsh and Breton, among others. This period saw fortified hilltop settlements and thriving local communities. The first known written account of Cornwall dates back to the 1st century BC, from the Sicilian Greek historian Diodorus Siculus. He described Cornwall, known as Balerion or Land's End, as a region with civilized inhabitants who traded tin with foreign merchants. The precious tin was transported overland through France, eventually reaching the Mediterranean. Though some speculate these traders were Phoenicians, historian Timothy Champion suggests that local merchants managed this trade themselves, further highlighting Cornwall's importance in the ancient world. When the Romans arrived in Britain, Cornwall remained somewhat distant from the main centres of Roman influence. However, evidence of Roman presence includes 4 forts established to extend Roman control. Notable sites include Tregear near Nanstallen, Restormel Castle, and a villa at Magor Farm. Still, Cornwall's remote location meant it experienced only limited Romanization, and by 410 AD, Roman influence had faded. After the Romans withdrew, Cornwall became part of the Brittonic kingdom of Dumnonia, ruled by Romano-Celtic chieftains of the Cornovii tribe. During this era, figures like King Mark of Cornwall emerge in semi-historical records. Known from Welsh literature and the legend of Tristan and Isolde, King Mark's story intertwines with that of King Arthur, who, according to tradition, may have also had Cornish origins. Throughout the 5th and 6th centuries, Cornwall experienced an influx of Celtic saints from across the Irish Sea and Wales. Saints like Nectan, Piran and Petroc played a role in reinforcing and expanding the Christian beliefs introduced by the Romans. This period saw close cultural ties between Cornwall, South Wales, Brittany and Ireland, building a legacy of spirituality and resilience that continues to this day. From prehistoric traders to legendary kings and Celtic saints, Cornwall's past is a story of enduring communities shaped by the land, sea, and a unique blend of cultures. It's a place where history and legend meet, offering a deep connection to Britain's distant past. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe for more historical explorations and let us know what other parts of Cornwall's history would you like to see covered next.